Hello guys, so welcome sa another video. So today is Tuesday, March 3. Ngayon, nakita nyo, sa harap ko, may bagong symbol. I bought this from Nickmar sa Shopee. So check nyo lang yung, yung page niya sa Shopee. Makabili kayo ng Mosiko symbol. So ito, nabili ako ng Mosiko Modern 10-inch stacker ng Splash. So, nabili ko to dahil gusto ko. Kaya lang, gusto ko lang. Tsaka maganda yung tunog niya. Very trashy siya. Dark. Quick decay. Ganda yung ano niya, oh. I even like how the bell looks like. It's just a very raw bell finish. And then yung body itself, yung kabila niya, yung ano lang siya, traditional finish lang siya. So yeah. So I even bought. So shout out again kay Nickmar. Ito, nabili ko to sa ibang store. Yung kabitan ng symbol. So papakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano ikabit. Ito dito. So syempre, una kailangan i-adjust to. So you have to adjust this. So paano gawin yan? You just twist this. You twist this part. Itong thing, I don't know what you call it. You twist this. Para, ano siya. Ayan. Maging ganyan na siya. Ayan. Ganyan lang. And you have to tighten it. Pause ko muna yung video. Yan. That's what it looks like now. So, ngayon, para mailagay mo yung symbol, kailangan mo din remove to. Yung lock niya. So, muna pause the video again para makabit ko. So, ganyan na siya. Ganyan na siya. So, yun lang. That's how it's, tsaka kanina symbol, papakita ko sa inyo sa maybe over this weekend or Friday. Tingnan ko Friday, kung mapalagayan ko to. Kung may kabit ko sa drum set. Kasi as of now, hindi ako pwede mag-drums ngayon. But I will do a quick sound test para marinig nyo. So, kuha lang tayo ng stick sa aking Zildjian bag. Not sponsored by the way. Ayan. Quick sound test. Bisa lang. Yun lang. So, I'm very happy with this. Sobrang natuwa ako. Just love. Tsaka this is a B20 cymbal. Very affordable, tsaka maganda din tunog niya. I love the way it sounds. I love the nice decay. Yung pagiging trashy niya, it's nice. I love how it just sounds good. And then I even like the magkabitan, like it's very like for only a few hundred pesos. This is actually, it's very high quality siya. And ayan. So thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.